Have you ever struggled with managing the audio on your Windows device? Or you felt tired of not having the complete control on your sound setting for individual app? What if I told you that there is a simple solution or a very simple app that's going to help you to manage the sound of your multiple apps? So stay tuned with us and we guarantee you that you do not want to go back. So without further ado, let's get started. So how we can actually get that app? For that, you need to simply click here on Microsoft Store, or you can even click on this menu button and type Store. After opening Microsoft Store, what you need to do is you need to click here on Apps, and here you will find Personalization Apps. Now click on See Detail, and there we go. Here you will find all the apps that will help you to personalize your Windows PC. And some of them actually we discussed in past, such as for live wallpaper, we have this lively wallpaper. For reducing your eye strain, especially during nighttime, we have this flux. But today we're going to talk about this awesome app known as EarTrumpet. And you can also recognize how well this application works by seeing its average rating. You can see that how good this app actually is. Now let me click here on Get, such that we can download it, and there we go, we have successfully downloaded it. Once this app installed, let's click here on Open, and then what you will notice is that you will see the similar kind of sound icon just like you see here. So what actually you can do is you would like to keep this sound bar as well here in this taskbar. So now let me click on Windows default soundbar. So here is how it look like, and then now let me click on this EarTrump toolbar, and there we go. Here we can see you can control sound setting of individual application that is running in background. So that's how, guys, it add its own value by offering you the customization that you always want to have. Now you may be thinking, well, this is amazing, I am all set. But hold on a second. Did you know that EarTrump have some hidden features that can supercharge your audio management even further? Stick with us till the end of this video to find out what they are. So whether you are a gamer or content creator or someone who simply love to have full control on their computer audio, EarTrump is a must-have tool. And we have yet to uncover those hidden features, so don't forget to tune in to our next video for that, and you will not feel disappointed. So that's all for today's Tech Insight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more such exciting tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is Technoholic signing off, and I'm gonna catch you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.